In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a Confluence page full width. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page you want to modify. Next, click Edit to open the page editor. Once you're in edit mode, look near the top of the page for the page width controls. You should see an option that allows you to switch between the standard page layout and the full width layout. Click the full width button to expand the content area across more of your screen. The page will immediately adjust, giving you additional space for tables, images, diagrams, and other content. Take a moment to review your page and make sure the wider layout improves the appearance and readability of your content. If needed, adjust your page elements to take advantage of the additional space. Once you're satisfied with the layout, click Publish to save your changes. The page will now display in full width mode whenever users view it. If you ever want to return to the standard layout, simply edit the page again and switch the width setting back. And that's it. You've successfully made a Confluence page full width. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.